Look at this beauty. Deck on the back that hydraulically lifts up with the ladder walking up. Deck on the top. Lattice on the side windows. That's a big bus. Please do not let the dog out no matter what it tells you. Thank you. It's got a house door on the bus. It's a Freightliner. Escape pod. Ooh, comfy seats. You got everything all wired to the front there, hey?
That is all toggle switches. I went household because they're so cheap.
Aww.
You know, the leg clips down. Remember these?
Okay.
There's the Star Trek wood stove.
Well, what the heck? Did you make that?
Yeah.
Wasn't that something? And then just bent it
Fully
at the
fine.
top.
That's the dryer.
This?
Yeah.
So you made a dryer, and what power does it run off of?
110. This here is the bathtub. There's the washing machine that I made.
That runs off 12 volt.
Yeah, or whatever. This is a light.
Wow, is that
And
ever
this
cool?
is a 12 volt light. That's 110. This here runs your furnace just like a house. This is for the antenna for the television. It's got a flat screen TV in here. These are the switches for the hot water tank and furnace and pump system.
Wow.
12 volt. Simple, simple. It's your screen. This will swivel out to here if you're sitting in that chair and want to watch TV.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh yeah. Goes up top here.
Got your vent. And that there's no fan you said in there. You don't
No,
need one?
no, you don't need one. You know what? You could, as long as that door's open in the back floor, air has to flow. That's all there is to it. There's no minimum way.
Okay.
This is just tin foil over the windows because I sleep better that way.
This is your air conditioner down in there.
Yeah, that just pushes out, and it's got a little flat door that comes out. So you can turn it on and leave that door open. And of course, where you're sleeping is generally where the problem is, right?
Yeah.
This here is the full-size shower. Right there. The poop room, porta potty.
So how do you drain your shower?
That's right there.
You got the window blocked off so nobody sees you showering?
Yeah.
And then you got the...
That's the poop room. That's an old fire extinguisher. It turned into a urinal.
Wow, this is a great deck.
Then this here all collapses up under hydraulics. And it'll lift right up and go 6 inches from the back of the bus.
I see the pulley on there too.
Yeah, yeah.
6 inches, that's nice.
And up we go.
You got a backup camera too?
Yeah, and backup light. Those are 100 each. That there light, if you see it, it's got a camera on it as well. Night vision as well. It has the 3500 watt inverter like yours.
Yeah.
And the 5.9 coming diesel automatic with less than 200,000 miles on it.
And so how much battery storage do you have in here?
I have 400 amp hours.
400 amp hours, that's awesome.
CB radio, and there's your backup cameras. That old screen there that you see is GPS.
Okay, that's cute, Tom. Very nice.
So everything is simple and easy.
Well, now look at that. Isn't that a cute touch?
That's the vent for the furnace,
The furnace vent.
or it's French vent. And then there's the furnace vent and hot water vent. And that bowl that you see over there, that's where you fill the water tank up with.
Oh, you fill the water tank just over here?
Yeah. See this right here.
See, another repurposed item. That's so awesome.
See? Put your hot water in there.
And this is where your air conditioner slides out.
Yeah, you just pop this off and then it slides on a set of tracks.
And that'll run off your batteries?
That'll run off. It will, but you know, you're not very long. You need to have your
Just enough to
generator.
cool it down?
That's where the generator is, right where it says sewer.
Oh. Well, that's a nice way to mislead people from
That's
taking your
exactly
generator.
why. They're not going to break in and steal your sewer tank, are they?
And then this is venting too?
This is the vent for the fridge.
For the fridge,
Yeah.
which you said is run on propane.
Yes, and 110. Either.
Propane and
Switches
110.
over automatically
Yeah.
with night vision.
Night vision.
Yeah, that just below it you see the camera.
Oh yeah, the camera is right underneath
Yeah, and
there.
that'll swivel all the way around.
You definitely got to come see this for yourself.